Zerotier VPN review. Zerotier is a software-defined networking service that allows you to create virtual private networks, or VPNs like ears, with ease. Unlike traditional VPNs focused mainly on privacy and geo-unblocking, Zerotier is designed for secure peer-to-peer connections and private network creation. Some pros is that it's easy to use and set up across multiple devices and platforms, supports direct peer-to-peer connections for faster speeds. It's highly customizable network configurations. It has a free plan available with decent limits, strong encryption and secure connections, and it's great for remote access to private networks and IoT setups. Some cons that it's not designed primarily for streaming or geo-unblocking, may require some technical knowledge for advanced setups. Customer support can be slow for free users, and it's limited server locations compared to big commercial VPNs. For the pricing, it has a free plan available for personal use with up to 50 devices and 100 networks. There's also paid plans that offer more devices, networks, and advanced features for businesses. So is it worth it? If you need a VPN solution focused on creating private virtual network for remote access, collaboration, or IoT, Zerotier is a great tool. It's secure, fast, and reliable, and flexible. However, if your goal is to access geo-restricted content or prioritize autonomy like traditional VPNs, Zerotier may not be the best fit. Subscribe.